Spoiler alert. Yeah, if you don't want to get spoiled, wag pong manood. Please po, if you don't want any spoiler, please don't watch this video. But kung nakita nyo na, napanood nyo na, and you wanted to hear my part of review, then please continue watching this video. Pero yeah. Hi friendships! I'm so excited because today we are going to Cinemark to watch again the Hello, Love Again. So I'm so excited to watch it because I am a big fan of Hello, Love Goodbye and Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. So I'm really excited to see the next chapter of
Take the next right onto Washington Street, then turn left onto Ballard Road.
Nathan and Joy. So I'm so excited. Let's go! Excited, Javel? Alden fan here.
Andiyan ka na talaga! Andiyan ka na. Miss my joy here in Hong Kong. Kabi! Ito. Diba sabi nila time stops when you don't use it? Gamitin na natin para mapabilis yung oras. Excited na?
Time starts now.
Hi friendships, Mexi G here. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about my honest review for Hello, Love Again. In all fairness, I love it so much. I mean, syempre iba pa rin to kasi now this is the movie about responsibilities, more mature. And kasi 'di ba gano'n naman talaga ang life. It's not just all about fun. And kasi sa first film, Hello Love Again, it's more of about love, you know, the beginning of love. But then the second movie is more about maturity na. So and that's how life works. As we, you know, as we get older, we became more mature. And in fairness talaga, good addition si Valerie. Oh my god, Valerie and Joros tandem is like so funny. And bilang nandito din sa United States, I love that na nasa ibang bansa, it really shows you kung gaano kahirap dito sa you know, sa ibang bansa. But then again, this is the main reason why you need to have an outlet. Kapwa mo Pilipino na mabubuti ang puso, you need that here to survive. Kasi unfortunately meron din talagang mga kapwa mo Pilipino na instead na hihila sa'yo pataas, mas hihila pa sa'yo sa baba. And it's not just Filipinos, pero it happens, you know, to anyone. Gano'n naman talaga, meron kang kakampi, meron ding naiinggit. Gano'n, which is sino ba yon? Si Baby. Nakakaloka si Baby. Baby yan? Gano'n? I don't think Baby siya anymore. But anyways, anyhow, I really love it and I'm so proud na ito yung ngayon, this is the Philippines box office hit na nag 1 billion at ito na yung pinaka malaki yung kita sa pelikula. And grabe, ang galing ni Alden tsaka ni Catherine. Like, they deserve an award for this movie. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung emotion eh. At iba talaga si Direk Cathy Garcia, the best director, one of the best director in the Philippine cinema history. Like, she is already an icon. Ang napansin ko lang is that yung movie na to, in all fairness, is like, it takes a man and a woman na parang, you know, may second, may ibang involved na character, tapos ng babae, di ba ganon din yung kay John Lloyd, si Belle, and then, of course, nag-mature si Sarah and everything. And at the end, kinasal din sila. So, for me, grabe. Like, galing. Ang galing talaga. The emotion, the laughter. And in all fairness, isa lang ang hindi ko nagustuhan sa movie. Die. Sa Canada, wala palang gloves. Grabe. Kasi dito sa Amerika, my God, in all fairness, it's part of the standard procedure na talagang dapat naka-gloves ka kasi it's more of a infection control issue. So, kung hindi ka naka-gloves while doing all those body fluids, die. Naka-write up ka na. So, my God, nung si Alden, tapos si Catherine, nung nilinis nila, and wala silang gloves, I was like, hindi uso gloves sa Canada, no? So, yeah, yun lang yung, that's the only thing that I did not like. Kasi, I know, para ipakita talaga na naghihirap, pero pwede naman kasi ipakitang naghihirap na naka-gloves tayo. Kasi, standard procedure naman kasi yun. And I know emergency kasi nakaihi and everything. Pero naman, Diyos ko, kahit sa nursing home, at ang mga CNAs, lalo na, like, syempre, I am a CNA. So, like, talagang lagi kang may, may gloves sa packet mo for emergency, ganun. So, for sure, isa sa kanila may gloves. Wala man lang nag-hand ng gloves. So, ay, ano ba? But anyways, anyhow, I really love it. And, grabe lang talaga yung emotion. Tapos, alam mo, kaya yung iba nasasabi green screen dahil hindi siya green screen. Kasi nakita ko yung mga behind the scenes talaga, ang ganda talaga ng view. Tapos yung camera kasi nila, yung parang filtered camera na parang autofocus. So, yung background nagiging blur. So, parang nakafocus talaga siya sa mukha. Tapos ang ganda ni Catherine nung palapit ng palapit yung camera. Grabe, Catherine, ganda mo, girl. So, yun lang. I love Alden and Catherine, isa sa pinakamagaling na actor and actress in our generation. So, yeah, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Again, friendship, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. At sa bumubuo ng cast and crew ng Hello, love, goodbye. Congratulations. Again, friendship, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. This is Friendship Maxi G. I'll see you on my next video. Kasi alas 12 na pala. Time to go to sleep. Pero syempre, take off muna natin yung makeup natin. Bye, friendships.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.
Philippine beauty.
True.
Happy na si Tonton!
Salamat, maraming salamat guys sa lahat. Maraming salamat talaga.
Pag nahanapan ka namin ng Lamia, balik ka ha.
Depende kay Tonton. Siyempre, alam nyo naman kung saan masaya si Tonton.